In this video, you will see how to create free voiceovers using Google Text-to-Speech. You can choose from a set of 380 plus voices across 50 plus languages and variants, including Mandarin, Hindi, Spanish, Arabic, Russian, and more. Let's head to Google Text-to-Speech, and I will choose WaveNet and WaveNet 1 voice. But you can choose any voice you like. Type the text you want to convert it to speech. Right-click on the text and select Inspect, which will open the developer console. From here, select the Network tab and click the clear icon. Now click the Speak It button to generate the voice. Here, we will search for the proxy URL and click the Response tab. Copy the contents from here to a text document. From the text document, copy the contents from the audio content brackets. We will go to the ipvoid.com website and enter the string from our text document and click the Submit Now button. Once this is done, we can download the file.
Welcome to Be Seen Academy.
If you want to improve the voice, head over to Adobe Podcast website. Upload the file, and Adobe will automatically enhance the voice. Although this works much better with a natural voice, but still, it is an improvement.